With the era of medical marijuana upon us, many people are now wondering if it could be an effective treatment for their ailment. So where do you go to get those answers? For that, I'm happy to welcome back Kevin Green. He's from the Cleveland School of Cannabis, along with Dr. Bridget Williams. She is a certifying medical cannabis doctor and owner of Green Harvest Health. So thanks for being here.
Thank you.
All right, doctor, let's talk about this because this just started, right? The last 3 months since medical marijuana kind of started becoming more popular, obviously, and legal in Ohio. But what have you seen happening in that short amount of time?
So medical cannabis is definitely restoring health to patients in Ohio. There are 21 conditions that have been approved by the state of Ohio to receive medical cannabis cards. And whether in our own office or through the data that we've seen, for PTSD patients, there is a decrease in anxiety, a decrease in disturbing thoughts and nightmares. For chronic pain patients, there's a decreased use in narcotics. So for other states that have had legalized marijuana for a longer period of time, they've seen a 14.4% decrease in opioid use prescriptions and a 25% decrease in opioid overdose and abuse. And deaths. So, so there's a lot to look forward to in seeing what will happen here in Ohio.
Absolutely, and I kind of alluded to in the introduction that it's not just one set of ailments. It's not just pain. It's not, just anxiety. Some people struggle, with an ailment that brings upon it a whole bunch of different, symptoms and things that they're struggling with. And is this kind of that, umbrella drug that could help more than just one thing?
Medical cannabis is about restoring health and wellness and balance. So it can affect not just one part of any condition, but put your body back in balance to where it should be.
Okay, nice to know. All right, so where can people find help then? Sometimes they think, well, I can't go to my primary care doctor if they're not certified in this. So where do they go?
So our office, Green Harvest Health, provides medical cannabis cards for all the 21 conditions. We also will help you figure out strains that are appropriate for you and ways of taking the cannabis that might be right for you. And we're also the only office in Ohio that provides life wellness and cannabis coaching. So going beyond just life coaching where it is goals and reaching your potential, this can be a very difficult time for people in their life. And so we kind of take that walk with you to help you get to a place of balance and improved health.
So where are you located then? Or should somebody go to your website to kind of get started?
Yes, so our website is www.greenharvest.health. And we're located in Pickerington, and we open our doors twice a month to educate. So a great deal of our focus is educating. So we give a talk on any one of the 21 medical conditions as well as other issues. So last week it was fibromyalgia and chronic pain, and on March 20th we're doing a talk on the history of cannabis.
Okay, so and it is important because we've talked about a lot about the misinformation and lack of education that a lot of people have when it comes to medical marijuana in this. So Kevin, I know CSC, it's great kind of that you guys offer that help to patients as well, right? So what are some of the ways that you're doing that?
So the best program that we've seen that's worked well for patients is our MCC course, which is our Medical Cannabis Comprehensive course. It's a 10-hour course that touches on everything from patient access to advocacy to history to the endocannabinoid system. It gives patients a nice wide range of information because not only are they looking to be able to say how the medicine can actually help them, but they're also how they can debunk some of the other knowledge that they've been taught over the years. So it's a great crash course that gives them a good wealth of knowledge, so then they can now seek other education, other information, and be more qualified, educated patients in their process of healing.
We mentioned obviously that you are the Cleveland School of Cannabis, but you're now in Columbus. So where can patients and people who want to obviously start this as a career get educated?
Definitely. So please visit our website at csceducation.com. Our branch is at 3700 Corporate Drive. And we are starting with our open houses and our events going on at our location. So on the 22nd and the 23rd, we'll be having a patient CBD event. And then on the 23rd, we'll be having our first open house and talking about our program rollout, the dates, information, enrollment. So it's a great time to start, and everything's going to start up next week for us. So we're excited.
Absolutely. You want to get in on the forefront of it. Now certainly is the time at csceducation.com. Thank you both for being here.
Thank
All right,
you.
thanks, Robin.